Um, Welcome back to my channel. We're about to do another wig review. So if you're new here, thank you for coming along and watching me put on this wig. And if you've been here before, hey girl, what's up? So I have my hair braided up because I'm trying to get this wig to lay down to its full capacity. So UNice sent me this wig, and girl, look, it don't take much to impress me, to be super honest. They sent me a really nice brush. First of all, it came in a box. Like, and it has weight to it. Like, girl, and I just told myself that I need to go out and get a new powder brush because my kids always misplace the ones that I get. So I be running through powder brushes so bad. So this is the one I'm going to keep in, like, my little studio where I make the videos. I'm going to hide it from them because, like, girl, this is a really cute brush. Thank you, UNice. Thank you, UNice. Or should I say UNiceHair wig? And baby, I'm going to be putting this to use on this video. So the wig that they sent me was one of the Glueless units. You know, the ones that literally just pop on that you see like on TikTok ads and stuff. So they sent me it, and I'm going to be able to try it out and see if it really is that girl when it comes to like being able to just really just stick her on. Because you see, I have my Queen Latifah braids in today, and I'm going to go ahead and just slap on a wig cap. UNice has so far not disappointed me. Good, I keep hitting my mic. UNice so far has not disappointed me. Of course, it's in like the little goodies in the box with like the wig cap and stuff, and the edge band, which now it's standard because like these wig companies, they don't come to play. So they sent me this wig. I asked for a long wig because, baby, it's about that time. A lot of people, I like to do things in reverse. When people are going short, I'm gonna go long. When people are going long, I'm gonna go short. I try to go against the season. So I'm gonna do exactly what they told me to do and just literally just put this wig on and see how she is getting herself together. So this is the hair. It's straight. It's very long, honey. And then before I put her on, I do need to show you the cap construction. So this is like a U-part lace right here, and they have the adjustable strap in the back just in case, you know, like your head, it just needs a little extra hug to make that wig, you know, stay on. And it has like the combs on the side and the comb in the back, and then it has this breathable lace right here. You know how they be having the mesh cap, and sometimes the air and the heat be getting trapped in it? Well, this one's breathable, okay? All the hair can just whip right in, up and through it. All up and through it. All right. Let me go and put this on. I'm excited. Oh, yeah, the one thing I do have to say about UNice that stands out is when they put these bands on their wigs, they have the, it's actually like adjustable. Because a lot of them, they'll have like the bra adjustable where you just have like the hooks, just like a bra. This one, it can come out. You see how it has the nine shape, what is it called, attachment right here, so you can like slide it out. So this is what it has. So when you are moving around in your wig, it's not going to pop off like if you had the claw, because usually when you have the claw goes like this. I hope I'm explaining it clear, but yeah. And then they have this right here, like the extra grip at the bottom. So they do pay more close attention to the cap construction as far as like it being comfortable on your head, it being secure on your head, and it feeling, and not scratching you, if you get what I mean. We're about to put this wig on because I'm excited. I'm excited. I got a peanut head, and so I'm gonna make my adjustable strap pretty tight. Not this tight, but it's gonna be pretty tight. Okay. This is a U-part wig. So you have, this particular wig has this much lace. to work with. Girl, bye. Girl, stop. Shut up. Okay, so this is an honest reaction because I hadn't put her on yet. I literally just got her today, this afternoon. Look at this hairline. I'll zoom this part in, but look at this. Let me get this light on me. Let me get this light on me. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get this light on. Y'all, look at my hair. Okay, you did that, girl. You did that. And then look. Want to turn to the side? Look what part. She's done. No glue. Girl, this is witchcraft. Girl, okay, so you know the TikTok ads when they put the wig on and they're just like, yeah, this is good, no lace. Hold on, let me do the thing that I see. Hold on. I always wanted to do this. Hold on. Look, I'm gonna do it. As you can see, she is straight, honey. She is straight as straight can be. Girl, this is a twerk wig. What are you talking about? This is like I want to start twerking wig. You girl, stop. Oh my gosh. Girl, I'm just staring at, I can believe it, but I didn't think it was gonna be like this freaking cute when hold me adjust this camera, hold on. I feel like you're not really feeling me. Look how pretty this is. I really need you to look at this hair. Look at this hair. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I broke the cardinal rule of wearing it straight out the box. I wore this straight out the box. I didn't wash it or anything. This is literally if you are at a time crunch and you have nothing to do about your hair, because a lot of us have them days where, you know, the hairstylist is acting real funny and we have to do like a last minute purchase. Girl, you could ship this wig and literally throw it in your luggage and then go. Because I didn't cut the lace, I didn't glue it, I did nothing. There's no work done to this wig. I didn't wash, I didn't do anything. Don't judge me for not washing it, okay? All right? Don't judge me for that. But, girl, if I'm going to Miami, this is it. If I'm going to Miami, this is the hair that I want. What are you talking about? I cannot. I'm gonna do it one more time. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this wig. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with this wig. I'm still trying to find something that'd be like, oh, maybe they could. No, there's nothing wrong with this wig. They did everything for. Girl, buy the wig. Buy the wig. Buy this wig. Look down at my description box and buy this wig. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Look at at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just on here, sound like a boombox. I'm like, ooh. Like I sound like I'm beatboxing right now because I am clearly I like the wig. I'm trying to pose. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this is giving me a whole attitude. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you decide on your next wig purchase. Catch it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow. No, for real. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like, subscribe, follow down below. And I honestly hope this video was helpful. Because no lies were told on this one. By the way, you'll find out for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.